Tip me if your partner is hot. Imagine strolling through Vegas or a busy mall when someone standing around holds a sign saying, "Tip me if your girl's hot." It's basically a cheeky social experiment. Boyfriends either tip a few bucks or risk endless girlfriend sass. The Daily Guardian reports one such video from a Las Vegas hotel went viral, with netizens cracking up over the clever wording. Street performers report real earnings in this range. One New York violist said he makes about $30 to $50 an hour busking, and another noted 120 Canadian dollars in 4 hours, or 200 in 3 hours on a good day. So if only 5 couples each drop $5 in an hour, that's $25, plus maybe a few solo tippers. Suddenly you're nearly at a busker's pay. Quirkily, the stunt turned viral. Viral footage shows the sign tactic in action. Social media buskers confirm $30 to $50 per hour is doable. How it works. The process is absurdly simple. You grab a cheap poster board, write a provocative demand, "Tip me if your partner is hot," or another silly hook. Then stand around where couples hang out. The humor or awkwardness does the work. To avoid appearing rude or insecure, many boyfriends or girlfriends will slip you a few bucks. Scrolling your Venmo on your car window. Picture this. 2 friends on a cross-country road trip simply write Venmo at your name in big letters on the rear window. Suddenly strangers in traffic are literally buying them drinks. As Thrillist reports, a TikTok of 2 girls road tripping to Texas with their Venmo on the window exploded. 14 million views, inspiring others to try it. Viewers actually donated. In one clip, strangers sent $75 or even $150 each. In other words, random drivers were basically chipping in gas money. It's Netflix-level crowdfunding on wheels. Outcome: one duo's TikTok went huge, and these streamers became overnight meme heroes. Just be warned, not everyone is supportive. Some warned about stalkers. So it's a sketchy but effective little hack. Proof: Thrillist covered the viral TikTok and showed screenshots of $75 to $150 tips rolling in. How it works. The steps are almost embarrassingly simple. Pick a festive occasion, birthday, honeymoon, graduation, whatever, and use a washable window marker or sign on your rear windshield with a witty plea for money and your payment handle. Park somewhere visible. People leaving bars, weddings, concerts, or crowded lots work best. And just wait. Google Opinion Rewards Surveys. This one's almost too simple. Google will pay you pennies for answering quick surveys. It's the ultimate lazy side hustle. Like your phone asking, "Were you at Home Depot today?" and giving you 17 cents to tell the truth. It adds up. One user celebrated hitting a $100 balance after about 2.5 years. That's roughly $3 per month. While another old-timer bragged about earning $205 over approximately 8 years. Basically, expect a few dollars a month, enough for an in-app purchase or movie rental. Quirkily, survivors of Google Opinion Rewards brag they never pay for apps or Spotify for years. One commenter said, "I haven't spent my own money on an app or upgrade in over 5 years, thanks to these credits." So the payoff: free movie nights and bragging rights in your friend group. How it works. First, install the Google Opinion Rewards app, or a similar survey or gift card app. Keep your location services or browsing active. Many surveys trigger when you visit a store or search something. When a notification pops up, answer a quick survey. Questions range from "Which store did you visit?" to "Did you see this billboard?" Dating for free dinners. The foodie call hack. An ironic twist on modern dating. People are bragging on TikTok that they date for free food. Yes, dating has become a budget life hack. In dating app lingo, it's called a foodie call. Essentially accepting dinner with zero intention of romance, purely to get a paid meal. It feels like playing The Sims with cheat codes. As a Vice article noted, some users openly plan multiple first dates a week just to have their dinners footed. One young woman told MarketWatch she was out of coffee one morning, swiped on Hinge, and within an hour had a new date who happily bought her a coffee and breakfast sandwich. She even admits she wasn't into him, but she got her free breakfast anyway. People are literally ghosting as soon as the check is settled. Quirky outcomes? Tons. Some TikTokers boast scheduling one dinner date per night and treating it like a weekly meal plan. It's unconventional, borderline shameless, and definitely feels like a cheat code on Adulting 101. Don't cook, just swipe right. Paid sleep streams. Getting woken up. This is peak weird. Streamers literally broadcast themselves sleeping, and viewers pay to wake them up. They rig lights, speakers, or even shock bracelets that activate on donation. Wired reported one Danish sleep streamer on Twitch. 1,000 viewers watched as donators triggered lights or sounds every Saturday night. Fans could pay $1 to have a bot speak a message, jolting him awake, or $95 for a buzzing shock. It actually works. An Australian TikToker pulled in a whopping $34,000 in 1 month just being disturbed by fans. The crazy payoff. These sleep-deprived creators say just 2 sleep sessions a month cover their rent and bills. One even accidentally angered a neighbor so much with late-night noise that he ended up buying them $200 worth of booze to apologize. Wired's feature on sleep streams gives the rundown, from $1 wake-up calls to $95 shocks, and notes big earners like the $34,000 TikToker. He and others confirm the tip revenue is enough to live on. Referral programs and invite friends bonuses. Tons of apps and services reward you with cash or credit when you refer new users. Basically, spam your friends with referral links, and both of you get paid. It's less a hack and more a loophole in marketing. Turn your social circle into a personal ATM. It feels a bit like cheating the system by network effect, but it's officially encouraged by the companies. You do absolutely nothing except share links, and cash flows in. You're basically leveraging the company's marketing budget for personal gain. Up to a cap, it can really add up. Many apps limit you to $100 to $150 total per year, but some bonuses are higher. The PayPal example is concrete. According to PayPal's own referral rules, once your friend signs up and spends $5, you both receive $10. Likewise, Coinbase will drop $10 in Bitcoin to you and your friend after a $100 trade.